Hey there, education and aspiration family. Welcome to the third episode of our career talks. Who is a welder? A welder or a metal fabricator is a skilled person who uses welding techniques to make metal stuffs. They work with tools, read blueprints, and focus on safety. They can specialize in areas like agriculture or oil. It's a cool job with lots of hands-on skills. Before I end, let me tell you a fun fact about welders or metal fabricators. Welders or metal fabricators are like real-life superheroes of the metal world. Also, welding is an essential part of many industries from construction to automotives. It's a fascinating profession that requires skills and creativity. Get educational guidance at our website or call us for more information. Read,